Stop pecking on the wall over there, idiot. What's this cow doing? What's he doing? Just laying. What's he doing over there? I don't know what he's doing. But it is time that everybody has been waiting for. We finally got them. Piston rings. So it's time to go ahead and replace these boys. So let's get right into it. We gotta tear this motor out. We gotta do all kinds of stuff to... Yeah, let's go ahead and get this motor out. Okay, so we got the motor out. And as you can see, there's a little bit of oil around here because the seal on... One of the seals were bad. But I got that fixed, so must have been just some extra oil. But we'll get that cleaned up before the motor goes back in there. But yeah, motor's sitting right here. I cleaned out a spot right here, and it's really nice and clean, and don't get any dirt on anything. But yeah, let's get this thing up here. Let's get her opened up, and we can go ahead and start changing the rings. So, yeah. Okay, I got the phone propped up on the tripod so you can watch me take all this stuff apart. But, yeah, I'm gonna go get the size for this to take this off so we can get the rest of the oil out. And then we'll start working up here on the head and stuff. And then once we get up there, probably put the tripod up here on the thing once we get working up here and stuff. So then y'all can see the experience. But, yeah. I'm gonna get it in the pack really quick. Alright. Hopefully that'll fall in the pan and not all over the floor. Okay. Okay, it's wiggling back and forth on this side. Gotta pound it out. There we go. I don't know if y'all can see it. Can you guys see it? Yes, you can. Alright, hold on. Good. Okay. Just making you guys sure you can see the whole thing. Okay, it's off, it's off, it's off, it's off. Okay. Alright. Cool. Put the rest of that seal off. See, there was a little bit of drippage of oil. That's why I wanted to put that oil pan over there. That's actually really cool in there. Let me show you guys. I've had it open before. But it's just really cool to see everything actually in there. See, that's a rod right there. So to get to that, we have to take this governor out. And it just pulls off like that. So you gotta remember it goes like that. Set this over here. Okay. And we have to pull this gear off. And then we have to rotate this. And then we can get to the bolts up there. And you guys might be wondering, in case you already know this, I've done it before. I've had the piston out and stuff because I was messing around with it. And I was gonna swap everything because, you know, it had low compression. I didn't think it was the valves, and I was just, yeah. So I've had it out before. I've had it all apart, so I already know how to really do it. So that's why. Cool. You can see how our valves are going up and down. See there, it's intaking, so it's intaking through. So here, the piston comes up, it intakes, okay. It compresses that, and then exhausts it, okay. And then it's just a repeated process, and then it's intaking, exhausting. Compresses it, intakes. Okay, it is freaking downpouring outside, I don't know if you guys can hear it, but I left my window open in my room, so I'm gonna go shut that real quick. Okay. I'm back. Shut my window. Because it is raining outside. It is freaking raining. Oh my. It's raining. What's the horsey doing over here, boy? What you doing, Marshall? What you doing, boy? Alright, so we got this all propped back up. So we have to get this gear off somehow. Don't quite know how. There we go. Okay. Oh. So basically what we have to do is we have to, I'm going to turn this. Give me channel locks. Turn this. Here. We have to take out those bolts there. So let's go ahead and do that. Zoom out a little bit. Okay, so we got one broke loose. We got the top one broke loose. I thought it was millimeter, but it's actually standard. You guys probably can't see anything. And I can't really either. I'm just doing it. Winging it pretty much. How's my hand? But I'm happy. I'm genuinely happy. Now, we have to go through the more frustrating part. The more frustrating part, what is that? Is, hold on. The more frustrating part is trying to get this piston pushed up through here with all the rings. That's kind of difficult. Some of you guys might not think that's that difficult until you do it. That right there, everything is all organized, so I know how it goes back together. That's always key when you're working on a motor. Just gotta make sure it's all, know how it goes back together. Hold on, my camera is, there we go. Alright, now we have to get this disconnected from the shaft, the camshaft. This thing probably going to be kind of difficult. There we go. Alright, it's disconnected. Ah, it's hard. It's so hard. Oh, there it is. See it, guys? Make sure you guys can see it. Ow. It looks like a booty hole. Ah. I know my head is probably in the way. I'm sorry. I'm just trying to get as much leverage as I did on this thing as I can, while showing you guys everything that I can. It's just so difficult. I repeat, it is so difficult. Everybody in the comments, oh, use WD-40, use WD-40, it'll come right out. That's not how it works. Ah, yes, yes. There's our piston. Hold on. Here's our piston. Okay, so it was surprisingly easy. I got one ring off already. Old ring is on the right. Or wait, is that right? Yeah. Is there a little bit squared off than the left one? But I'll try to get another one off and compare it. So it's old. I just wanted to make a quick disclaimer. I did get all the, or I didn't. Clayton came out and helped me get all the rings off. I think I did the next day. So I don't know if I already said that. I just wanted to come on here and say that real quick, just so everybody knows and there's not a whole bunch of confusion. Hello everybody. Welcome back to the video. It's 11:01 at night. Let's get this video done. I'm ready to go to bed. But anyways, basically, I didn't record. I don't think I recorded putting the engine back together and stuff. So this video was gonna be longer and stuff, but it wasn't. So yeah, I don't know why it wasn't. I don't know why I didn't record. That's kind of my fault. But then I did. No, I didn't even record an outro because I was gonna record it because I was driving a tractor to my dad's, and I was just driving up there. It was okay. This hill was like about barely an incline. There's barely an incline of a hill. I was just putting up it, and all of a sudden, like I didn't hear any noises, but all of a sudden it just like loses all power to the wheels. Like it ain't going nowhere. I put it in every single gear, and all of them are neutrals. And I opened it up. I don't see nothing wrong. And then there's more stuff going on. I don't know what's going on with it, but I got another video coming, so don't you all worry. I will have another video on the transmission getting fixed. And quick disclaimer: we didn't make it to the race, but I'm sure there will be another race. But there will be a tractor pulling soon. I'll take the Kubota tractor pulling, y'all can see that. But yeah, and I also kind of destroyed my quad. If you add me on Snapchat's in the description. But yeah, I broke my quad, so there'll be a video on that and stuff. So yes, thank you all for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your evening, rest of your night, rest of your day. Yeah, thanks for watching. Goodbye.